It's just the noise and the vibration on the floor when you come walking up to it when it's being revved up. It's awesome beast. I shall respect it, but I shall give it the berries on a few straights. I'm tremendously excited, and of course the work started ages ago. It's amazing to come to fruition now. To be reacquainted with the car on such an auspicious occasion here at Goodwood is just, it brings back all the feelings, and it turns the clock back, and it's just very exciting. All the memories come flooding back. It's a beautiful machine, and it brings back the memories that it's the only car I ever drove in the mid-80s that tried to kill you on every corner. So you have a lot of respect for it, because when the turbos kick in, they kick in. I mean, I won so many races with it, and something very special. Exemplary. I mean, for Honda to bring the car over, and for Williams to work so hard and change everything on it and make sure the engine's running well, which it is, a first-class job. I mean, brilliant. Congratulations to everybody.